good afternoon to you all, and thank you for coming together for joining us for the celebration of the Year 7 to 10 summer homework projects. I know that you all worked incredibly hard, and I'm proud to say that amongst us today are the winners of their categories for the summer projects. And the prize is an iPad for each of you. And I know that's a fantastic prize to be earning for a summer project, but given the amount of work that's gone into that, I think it is absolutely right that you receive one of these. Now, this was a competition all across the Trust, and the people with us today have been picked as the winners within their categories. We're exceptionally proud of everything that you have done in order to reach this fantastic accolade, and more than anything, representing the school in a fantastic manner. We hope that you enjoy your iPads. It is used for educational purposes as well as personal purposes as well, and you can enjoy that at home for yourself and family members. But a massive congratulations from the Ruth Gorse Academy and from me as your principal. Well done to you all.
First of all, I would just like to welcome you all to the celebration assembly that we are hosting today for the summer homework projects that you have all completed over the summer holidays. We'd just like to start off by saying we are so proud of each and every one of you. We know how hard you've worked to deserve these iPads, and I'm so excited to give them to you. Just a little recap then about what you actually achieved over the summer. So Years 7 to 10 were given the opportunity to complete a summer homework project. And these could be on two different areas. It was either a STEM focus or a 2020 or Martin Luther King focus. And it was really exciting that you were able to have the opportunity to research these areas in a little bit more detail. And what happened was that as well as the 25 credits that you received for entering, you could be entered into a draw to receive one of these iPads. And your form tutor spent a long time marking your projects based on effort, content and creativity. And the reason you all are here today is because by no doubt you absolutely hit these measures in terms of how amazing your projects were. Whether that was effort, content or creativity, you must have got the top marks in at least one of those areas to be in with a chance of winning the iPad. And like Mr. Mallinson said, it was a whole trust draw. And the more number ones you achieved in these areas, the more likely you were to win. So it's just absolutely fabulous that you are all here today in order to celebrate your hard work. These are just some of the amazing projects that we had here at the Ruth Gorse Academy, and I'm sure you can join me in celebrating this fantastic work and these fantastic achievements. And without further ado, I'm going to move on to the winners, because that is why we're all here today. So first of all, the Year 8 winner, David, would you like to come up and get your iPad? And David is receiving this iPad as he achieved 3 1s in his STEM project. Get it? Yeah. Thank you, David. It's wonderful. And we have 2 lucky winners from Year 9. The first winner is Kian for his creativity within his STEM project that he submitted for the summer homework project. Well done, Kian. Fabulous. And the next Year 9 winner is Rachel Joshua for achieving 3 number ones in her project based on 2020, a year of seismic change. Now moving on to Year 10, we actually have 3 winners from our Year 10 category, which shows just how high the level of work in this category was, and we're so proud of all of them. So the first winner, we have Casey Smith for her STEM effort in her STEM homework project. Well done, Casey. Wonderful. And the next winner is Prisha for her STEM content. So that is everything that you did in your STEM project was really high quality. So well done, Prisha. And finally, but not least, from Year 10, we have Pleasant for achieving 3 grade 1s in her project in 2020. Grade 1 being the top level. It's just at the front here, isn't it? Yeah. And then moving on to Year 11, we have 2 Year 11 winners that we're really excited to celebrate here with us today. The first one is Isabel for achieving 3 1s in her STEM homework project. Well done, Isabel. And then finally, sadly can't join us today, but we're sending him big congratulations from school, is Hakeem, who will be here to collect his iPad when he can do so. But I would just like to finish off by saying an absolutely massive congratulations. It really is an amazing achievement that you have gone above and beyond in your summer holidays to produce some fantastic work. And now as a reward for that, you have got an iPad, which is brilliant. That is all. Thank you so much.